Croeso I wythnos cychwyn busnes yr haf. Welcome to Summer Startup Week, a startup program arranged by your Enterprise Champions in colleges and universities across Wales. Cynllun wedi threfnu gan eich pencampwyr entrepreneuraidd chi yng ngholegau a phrifysgolion dros Gymru gyfan.
I'd just like to say thank you to absolutely everybody involved in the Summer Startup Week. It's been absolutely incredible.
Inspirational.
Motivational.
Absolutely amazing.
Positive.
The range of experience and knowledge from your speakers is just astonishing.
My top tip is to focus on what is really important.
Realise and remember the value from the negatives.
Don't be afraid to fail. Then siŵr mae pawb sydd o'ch gwmpas chi yn positif.
Focus on your first customer.
Know who your audience is. Above all, be yourself and have some fun.
One of my biggest takeaways would be passion is kind of the key to everything.
Target gaps within the market.
Learning how to network.
Today's workshops have made me realise that it's never too late to start a business.
It also helped me to clarify the value of my own idea.
I now feel a lot more confident in setting up my own business.
This may be the end of the week, but it's just the start of your entrepreneurial journey. Efallai fod yr wythnos yn dod I ben, ond megis dechrau mae eich siwrne entrepreneuraidd chi.